Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Today we are talking about the exhausted yet sleepless paradox and the promise of a 7-minute reset. Do you find yourself tossing and turning at night, even when your body feels utterly exhausted? You lie in bed, staring at the ceiling, your mind racing with the day's events, or tomorrow's anxieties. The deep restorative sleep you desperately crave feels just out of reach. This frustrating experience is far from unique. It has become a silent epidemic in our modern world. Millions of people go to bed feeling drained, only to find that their minds refuse to switch off. They wake up feeling groggy, unrested, and unprepared to face the challenges of a new day, caught in a relentless cycle of fatigue that seems impossible to break. It feels like a cruel paradox. The more tired you are, the harder it is to actually fall asleep and get the rest you need. This nightly struggle is more than just a minor inconvenience. It has profound effects on our overall health and well-being. The persistent lack of quality sleep can leave you feeling irritable, unfocused, and emotionally volatile. You might notice your skin looking dull and puffy, or find yourself reaching for sugary snacks just to get through the afternoon. These are not just signs of tiredness, they are signals from your body that its essential nightly repair processes are being disrupted. Without sufficient deep sleep, our bodies cannot effectively detoxify, repair cellular damage, or balance crucial hormones. We are essentially running on an empty tank, both physically and mentally, and the long-term consequences can be significant. Many of us have tried countless remedies in our quest for better sleep. We've experimented with sleep-inducing teas, invested in expensive pillows, and perhaps even resorted to over-the-counter sleep aids, yet these solutions often provide only temporary relief, failing to address the root causes of our sleep problems. The issue isn't just about forcing our bodies to shut down. It's about creating the right internal and external conditions that allow sleep to happen naturally. The modern lifestyle, with its constant exposure to artificial light, high stress levels, and late-night meals, actively works against our body's innate biological rhythms, making a peaceful night's sleep feel like an unattainable luxury for so many. The problem lies deep within our daily habits and the signals we send to our brains throughout the evening. Our bodies are designed with a sophisticated internal clock, the circadian rhythm, which governs our sleep-wake cycle. However, late-night screen time, persistent stress, and poor dietary choices can throw this delicate system into disarray. The blue light from our phones and computers suppresses the production of melatonin, the very hormone that tells our body it's time to sleep. This creates a state of confusion, where our bodies are physically tired, but our brains are chemically stimulated to stay awake, leading to the familiar and frustrating experience of being tired but wired. The promise of a 7-minute reset. What if I told you the key to unlocking deep, rejuvenating sleep and enhancing your body's natural detoxification processes wasn't found in a pill or a complicated gadget? What if the solution was a simple 7-minute ritual? You could easily incorporate into your evening? It may sound too good to be true, but research confirms small, consistent actions before bed have a powerful impact. This isn't another stressful task. It's carving out a few moments to signal that the day is over and it's time for rest, repair, and renewal. This guide will walk you through a science-backed 7-minute nightly routine designed to reset your body's natural systems. It can help you fall asleep faster, improve the quality of your sleep, and supercharge your body's overnight detox. Forget vague advice and unproven fads. Every step is grounded in human physiology. We'll explain why dimming the lights, practicing specific breathing techniques, and making small adjustments to your environment can transform your sleep and waking life. Imagine waking up genuinely rested, with a clear mind and a lighter body. Picture starting your day with sustained energy, balanced moods, and less morning puffiness or brain fog. By the end, you'll have the exact step-by-step ritual, and a deep understanding of why it works. This 7-minute investment helps your brain flush metabolic waste, allows your liver to detoxify more efficiently, and rebalances hormones tied to appetite and stress. Stay with me. I'll share the ritual researchers say can improve sleep and boost overnight detox. This isn't a quick fix but a sustainable practice. Better sleep is about consciously letting go and letting your body do its nightly repair work. The journey to a more rested you begins with 7 minutes. Table of Contents, Part 2. Act 1. Why nighttime detox and sleep matter. 1. Sleep isn't rest, it's your nightly repair crew. 2. The brain's midnight cleanup, the glymphatic system. 3. The liver and hormones, your overnight processing plant. 4. Melatonin, more than just a sleep signal. Sleep isn't rest, it's your nightly repair crew. We often think of sleep as a passive state of rest, a simple powering down of our bodies and minds at the end of a long day. However, this perception couldn't be further from the truth. Sleep is an incredibly active and meticulously organized period of intense biological activity. It is the time when our bodies switch from performance mode to repair mode. While you are unconscious, a dedicated nightly repair crew gets to work, mending tissues, consolidating memories, flushing out toxins, rebalancing chemistry. This is not mere downtime, it is the most critical maintenance window your body has. Failing to get enough high-quality sleep is like telling your internal repair team to take the night off, leaving crucial tasks undone, setting the stage for dysfunction and disease. This nightly repair process is essential for every single system in your body. On a cellular level, sleep triggers production of proteins that mend damage from stress and damage from ultraviolet rays. Your muscles, taxed from daily activity, grow and repair themselves. Your immune system recalibrates, producing protective cytokines that fight infection and reduce inflammation. Even your heart and your blood vessels get a break as blood pressure drops. Viewing sleep as just rest fundamentally underestimates its power. It is an essential, non-negotiable biological imperative that actively revitalizes you from the inside out, preparing you to function optimally when you wake up. The consequences of interrupting this vital repair work are immediate and far-reaching. Just one night of poor sleep can leave you feeling foggy, irritable, physically sluggish. This is because the repair crew was unable to complete its checklist. Toxins that should have been cleared linger in your brain, impairing cognitive function. Hormones that regulate appetite and stress are thrown out of whack, leading to cravings and heightened anxiety. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation creates systemic breakdown. Your risk for chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, obesity increases significantly, and mental resilience plummets. Your body is trying to run a marathon every day without stopping for water or repairs. Therefore, the first step toward understanding the importance of a nighttime ritual is to shift our perspective on sleep itself. It is not a luxury to be sacrificed for productivity or entertainment. It is the foundation of our physical and mental well-being. The 7-minute routine we will explore is the perfect send-off for your internal repair crew. It creates ideal physiological conditions for them to work efficiently and without interruption. By consciously preparing for sleep, you are not just helping yourself fall asleep faster, you are supporting deep healing and detoxification, ensuring you wake up not just rested, but truly restored.